Hello, Namaskar, and welcome back to the sparkling world of gemstones. In the previous episode, we discussed about pearls. Pearls are organic gemstones. There is another popular organic gemstone which is called as the coral. Today, we will discuss about corals and other inorganic gemstones like cat's eye and garnet. Similar to the pearls, corals are also found under the sea. Small tiny creatures called as polyps get attached to rocks that are there on the seabed. Thousands of such creatures form colonies. These colonies look like trees. These trees are made up of nothing but calcium carbonate, which is secreted by the polyps themselves. These corals are found only at certain locations where the water current, water temperature, and the amount of sunlight reaching them is just right. Corals are generally found at about 300 to 1600 feet below sea level. Deep sea diving is required to extract these corals. Once brought to surface, the corals are then sorted as per their color, size, and shapes. They are then sent to cutting centers. At these centers, different shapes are given to these coral pieces. Some of the common shapes are round beads, cylindrical beads, drum-shaped beads, oval cabochons, and triangles. Corals are naturally found in many different colors like red, orange, white, pink, blue, etc. Deeper red colored corals are very popular and highly priced. Similar to the natural corals, we also get bamboo corals, synthetic corals, and composite corals in the market. But trained gemologists like us can easily tell the difference after close examination. Now let us have a look at some beautiful coral jewelry. Corals go really well in combination with pearls as well as with jade. Now let us move to the inorganic gemstones. Sometimes gemstones display beautiful optical effects. One such effect is called as the cat's eye effect. This effect is generally seen in translucent or opaque gemstones. These gemstones are cut into cabochon shape, also called as pota shape. When light is reflected on the curved surface of these stones, we see a white line across the stone. As we change the viewing angle, the reflection also moves along the curved surface. Due to this, the stone looks like a cat's eye. Hence, this effect is called as the cat's eye effect, or technically called as the Chatoyant's effect. This effect is caused because of the multiple needle-like parallel crystals present inside the stone. This cat's eye effect is commonly found in stones like chrysoberyl, quartz, diopside, apatite, and even in sapphires. Out of these, the most common is the chrysoberyl cat's eye. Uniform honey-colored cat's eye is very rare and highly priced. Along with this, the quartz and apatite cat's eye are also used for astrological purposes. Another optical effect shown by such gemstones is called as asterism. Instead of a single white reflection, when we get multiple reflections, it is called as a star effect or asterism. For example, the black star or the diopside shows two reflections and is called as the star diopside. Similarly, the sapphires show three reflections and are called as star rubies or star sapphires. Another beautiful stone in the chrysoberyl family is the alexandrite. This shows a very different optical effect. Alexandrite changes color in different light sources. In daylight, it shows a bluish green color, while as in incandescent yellow light, it shows a reddish purplish color. Such alexandrites showing stark color changes are very rare and highly valuable. Now let us move to garnets. Garnets are a very important family of gemstones. Like sapphires, garnets are also found in multiple colors. The most popular among these is the honey-colored garnet, also called as the Hessonite garnet or gomed. Gomed also has a lot of astrological importance and represents Rahu. The other common variety of garnet is the red garnet. In recent times, the popularity of the green garnet, which is also called as the Savourite garnet, is on the rise. These garnets go very well in contrast with diamonds and rubies in jewelry. In the next episode, we will have a look at emeralds and other precious gemstones available in the market. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also submit your comments and queries on the link given below.